Hi Ananya, how are you doing?
Hi Raj, I'm good. How about you?
I am doing well, thanks. I was reading an article about technology replacing human jobs. What do you think about that?
I think this is a serious issue. Many people in India are worried about losing their jobs due to machines and technology.
Yes, this is a big problem. Machines are becoming smarter. In some factories, robots work instead of humans.
Well, and in offices, computers can perform tasks like accounting and data analysis much faster. This is efficient, but it could also mean fewer jobs for humans. Do you think technology is good or bad for India?
I believe that technology has both good and bad sides. It can make our lives easier, but it can also replace jobs. We need to find a balance.
Yes, this is true. Many people in India work in factories and offices. If they lose their jobs to robots, they may have trouble finding new jobs.
Absolutely. Governments and companies need to find ways to create new jobs and train people for different types of jobs. Learning new skills can help people adapt to changes in technology.
Yes, education and training are important. If people learn new skills, they can find new jobs. Technology also creates new opportunities. For example, someone has to design and maintain the robots.
This is correct. Technology can open up new areas, but it also changes the way we work. For example, because of the internet, many people now work from home. This can be good, but it can also be challenging.
Working from home is different from working in an office. It can be lonely and you have to be disciplined. But technology helps us stay in touch with video calls and chat apps.
True, technology has changed the way we communicate, but it also brings us closer to family and friends, even if they live far away. Despite the benefits, technology should not completely replace humans.
I agree. Technology should help us, not take away our jobs. We need jobs to earn a living and support our families.
Yes, and technology can be used for good. It can help solve problems like climate change and improve education and healthcare in India.
Yes, technology can be very useful, but we should use it carefully. If we rely too much on technology, we may lose important skills like problem solving and creativity.
This is true. Machines can do a lot, but they cannot replace human creativity and emotions. We should use technology as a tool, not a replacement for people.
Yes, technology should be a means of improving our lives, not taking away our jobs. Companies and governments should use it to help people, not replace them.
Absolutely. If we use technology wisely, everyone can benefit from it. This may make our work easier, but it should not take away people's job. We need to find that balance.
Yes, we need to remember that technology is just a tool. This can be very helpful, but it is no substitute for human skills and emotions.
Exactly. I hope companies and governments will understand this. If they use technology to create new opportunities instead of replacing people, it will be better for everyone.
Yes, I agree. Thanks for talking to me about this, Raj. I enjoyed our conversation.
Me too, Ananya. Thanks for meeting me. Let's talk again soon.
Sure, let's do it again soon. Goodbye, Raj.
Bye, Ananya. Take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. May you have a great time ahead.